Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So a few days ago I updated my computer to the latest Windows 10 version, which is 2004. And what happens after that, the volume control bar is no longer displaying. So it just shows me the percentage, but it does not, even if I click on it, it does not show me the bar itself. So each time I have to right click and go to um, the actual control and then slide it back and forth. So I found an easy fix for that. So let me actually show it to you. So what you would have to do is uh, just right click on your start menu and click run and type reg edit. So basically it's a registry edit. So we just have to add one key, and that's pretty much it. So once you type reg edit, click OK, and the registry editor opens. So now what we have to do, we have to browse through some sub options and create a key. So first we have to go to a local machine and then softwares. After software we have to go with the Microsoft and then Windows NT. Windows NT right there. And then current version. And here we go. Under current version, we have to create a key, a new key. And we're gonna name it to MTCUVC and press enter. So here we go. And now we're gonna create one more entry under the key that we just created. We can just right click and we're gonna create dword 32-bit value. And we're gonna name it enable MTCUVC and then hit enter. Double click on it, make sure the value should be 0 and click OK. And that's pretty much it. So now if you go to your volume icon and click on it, now you see the volume bar. It is extremely simple to do it. It's just a one key that we need to add on the registry editor, and that's pretty much it. You get your volume bar back. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.